What are you doing over there? Lewis. What are you doing?
I don't know. Nothing.
Have a smoke. You're making me nervous.
I told you I quit.
Well, sit down at least.
Do you ever worry that we never had a choice? Ending up like this?
Choice? This is what we do, little brother. Think about the money we're about to make.
When's your guy supposed to show?
Jesus. How many times have I told you? Mike meets his buyer at 11, then shows up here with the money. And then, we all drive off. Rich men. No hiccups.
Jesus! Is he?
Yeah. That means more for us, right?
What?
It's just a joke, Lou. Come on, give me a hand with this.
Are you kidding me?
Jesus, calm down.
Oh yeah, calm down! I've heard that one before. Enough, Steve!
Lou.
Shut up, Steve! This is your fault, just like it always is. Your plan, your fuck up, your fault! This guy's dead because of you! Give me my money. I'm leaving.
We can't go now. What if somebody finds this?
No, I'm leaving. I'm taking my money and I'm getting as far away from this shit deal of a life as possible.
And where are you gonna go? What are you gonna do, huh? You never even see this kind of cash without me.
I don't want this kind of cash.
You're kidding.
I'm done! Don't you get it? This has Dad written all over it.
What?
The small time stuff? That was one thing, but this is too much! This is you turning into our sorry excuse for a father!
This is who we are, Lou.
It doesn't have to be.
Do something about that body.
Steve, hear that? Steve!
What? Give me your keys. You're right. Just take the money and go. I'll stall them. Tell them it was me. I stole your car and hid the money.